So here is why you should not use data validation to restrict values in Excel. Make sure to watch this tutorial till end because I can assure you that this trick will save you from a lot of hassle. Let's start. In this dataset, I want to restrict last three columns to accept only yes and no values. One solution is to do this through data validation. I can come here and write yes, no, then select all the cells and press Alt DL to bring up the data validation. Select list, choose these two yes and no values, and there it is. These cells are now restricted to accept only yes or no. If I try to input anything else, it will give error. But the problem with this approach is that if someone accidentally deletes this column, then everything is gone. You can hide or lock the cells, but there is still a chance of error. If someone clears formatting or press Alt H EA, then all data is gone. So what could be the more reasonable solution? Let's learn step by step in this tutorial. Now let's solve this problem. Open a new workbook and save it as a macro-enabled workbook. After saving the workbook, I'm gonna paste the same data into sheet 1 and Ctrl S to save it. Next, I'm gonna convert this dataset into a table by selecting it and hitting Ctrl T, and make sure to check this box that says my table has headers. Now go to Design tab, and I'm naming this table as Order Book, but you can enter any name. The overall logic is same. Again, I want to restrict last three columns of this dataset to accept only yes or no value, but this time without using data validation because of the reasons I explained earlier. To do this, hit Alt F11 to go to the Visual Basic Editor, and here double click the sheet 1 which actually holds our data. Here paste this code and Ctrl S to save it. Don't worry, I have provided the full code in the description, so you can just copy paste it from the link I have left there. You can customize this code according to your requirements. For example, change the sheet name or table name as the case may be. You can also change the column range when you want to apply the data validation. But if you still face any problems, feel free to let me know in the comments, or you can directly reach out to me through our websites, contact us, or call us section if you have any further queries. Now let's continue our remaining steps. After saving the code in sheet 1, exit the VB editor, and now let's test it. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Cells are turning green on yes and red on no, and giving error or wrong input. And the most important part, watch what happens when I try to delete or clear the formatting. Let me try to delete this. See, it doesn't allow me to delete once the values are input, and automatically restore the previous values with correct formatting. And not only that, whenever a new entry is added into the table, it also applies the validation automatically. So this is the more reasonable solution without relying on data validation, which can sometimes mess up the things. The best thing about this is that it doesn't affect your sheet and there is no risk of losing your data. You can password protect your code so no one else can access it. If you don't know how to do this, let me know and I'll also make a video on this. And that's all. I hope you liked this tutorial and learned something from it. Also, don't forget to subscribe AIC Certified Accountants and turn on notifications, because I'll be posting a lot of useful content related to accounting, finance, bookkeeping, taxes, Excel and more. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.